simultaneous equations algebraic method, this time using elimination. When I say elimination, that means we're going to eliminate one of the variables, the x or the y. Let's start with the same equation that we had, y minus 3x equals to 6. This is the line L1 equation. And 2y plus 5x equals to 10. This is line L2. We should end up with the same result that we had earlier. Basically, what's going to happen is we're going to try to eliminate here, we're going to try to eliminate the y or the x. When I say eliminate, I mean we're going to get rid of. So we want to multiply the top equation and the bottom equation by, if I'm trying to eliminate the y, I multiply the top by minus 2 and I multiply the bottom by 1. If I'm trying to eliminate the bottom, the x in this equation, I multiply the top by minus 5 and the bottom by 3. What I'm doing is I am taking the coefficient of the y, changing the sign and multiplying it by the top, by the other equation. And for the bottom bit, I'm just taking the coefficient as is. I'm just going to try to eliminate the y because it seems much easier in this case. So I will multiply the top equation by negative 2, the entire equation, and I'll multiply the bottom equation by 1. 1 is the coefficient of y here, and 2 is the coefficient of the equation here. I just changed the sign and took it. I will end up with a new system of equations. It's the same equations, only different. This becomes minus 2y plus 6x, because the minus 2 will be distributed throughout the equation. So minus 2 times 1 is minus 2, minus 2 times minus 3 is positive 6 because negative and negative cancel out, and minus 2, I keep the equal sign, times 6 is negative 12. For the bottom bit, I am just simply multiplying it. I'll leave the equation as is because it's multiplied by 1. Anything times 1 is the same. So this is 2y plus 5x equals to 10. Same lines, only multiplied or amplified. As you notice here, we're now with opposite signs of the same value. So when I will add the two equations now to join them. When I add, and I'm adding common values, I will add negative 2 to 2y. This will cancel out. This will become a 0 plus 6x plus 5x. This is 11x because 6 plus 5 is 11 equals to minus 12 plus 10. This is just minus 2. So what I end up with is 11x equals to minus 2. I can simply divide this by 11. X is equal to minus 2 over 11. And I'll have the same value for x. To find the value of y, I can just simply substitute this into one of the equations, which I'm going to do. I'll substitute it in L1. Using the L1 equation, I had y minus 3 times x. I'll just use this value for x, minus 2 over 11, equals to 6. This is y minus, or plus, because minus and minus cancel out, plus 6 over 11 equals to 6. Well, Just keep it that way. And then that basically I move the 6 over 11 to the other side. This is y equals to 6 minus 6 over 11. Again, this is 6 over 1, common denominator. I end up with the same value, that is y equals to 60 over 11. So, same result as I had in substitution is x is minus 2 over 11, y is 60 over 11.